Six Flags Qiddiya City has released its first official POV for Iron Rattler, its new Vekoma Tilt Coaster at the Saudi theme park. Taller, faster, and longer than Siren's Curse or Circuit Breaker, Iron Rattler runs for over 4,000 feet at a top speed of 73 miles an hour after its 208-foot height drop. Enjoy the POV of Iron Rattler from Six Flags Qiddiya City.
لا وقف